Wow, there's some absolutely stunning cars here. Walking up and down the main road bit. Look at this. That's pretty cool. But this is something else. We saw this here last year. The paint job. Wow. That's pretty cool. Interior. Check out that. There's some absolutely cool cars here. It's a bit of everything really. Loads of American, that's what it's mainly for. But yeah. Oh, there's the British Telecom van. Look at that. There's a few go in, a few go out on a little cruise here as well. They go up the King's Road. Wow, look at the interior on that. That's perfect. But yeah, very nice. Little camper van. We love a camper van. He's having a little move around. But yeah, let's check out the beach buggies next. 3 of them on the line. Pretty cool. Loving the paintwork on that as well. I'll tell you, we've not got here yet is any supercars. Quite surprised nothing's turned up yet, or any bikes. But it's busy. Still busy. I say I don't think it's as busy as last year. But yeah, it's still a good turnout. I know exactly what's coming down the road now. Check out what's coming down the road shortly, people. It's coming this way. Love the way they've done the arches on this. Plenty of different cars here today. That thing just went past us. Wow.
Yeah, tell me this ain't fucking unreal.
So many. More the trucks. Still more coming in. Still more. Check out the truck going past. Jeez, I love the white and the red. I love the two-tone colours. Right, I think we're back up to here where we were. Let's walk back down. We're still walking down towards the car park. Even though we were here earlier, we've done a little bit of the live around the car park already.
Oh, yeah. Is your little focus? Yeah. Bollocks. No, this is this guy. It don't matter if it don't start or not.
Hummer. The last time we saw one of these was at Southend as well. And now look, seen another one. A week later, is it the same guy? I don't think it is. No, it's not. H2 on the number plate as well. What a big number plate to have.
The only reason it would come from there is if the fuel was standing.
Well,
yeah.
the anniversary of his lost two.
Big, yeah.
He lost the penalty.
Tina leaving, absolutely beautiful. This is nice. Didn't see this turn up. It snuck in a little bit earlier. Very nice. This is so cool. The paintwork on it as well. Look at that, people. The detail and the chrome. We love it. Look at that. Oh, the back's open now. That's pretty cool as well. Nice little Mustang going past. Oh, it's the Bullet as well. Very nice. Do like that. Little limited edition. Very nice. See a couple of them around every now and again. Got the old Rover creeping up on me as well. Looking nice. Nice to see a Bullet out. Very nice. Lovely, isn't it? That? It's nice. Very nice. Look at the lights on this. Jeez. American beasts are coming out. Got these two. Lovely Jag passing by with a Rover, V8 Rover. This is very nice. Absolutely lovely that. Some nice cars already turn up. Truck will come in. This we saw going down Sloane Street a little while ago on the way here. Very nice little van. Not seen that about at all. It's got a Telecom, British Telecom on the side of it. Yeah. That's cool. That's absolutely epic. Let's go and have a look. Oh, we've got the truck over here. We saw this on the way down. I think we were just going past Hyde Park when we saw this. This was here last year, as the missus pointed out earlier. Absolutely. Look at that. Oh, he's got a little bit of overheating. Yeah, he's got a little, just a little bit warm. But yeah, look at this, absolutely gorgeous. These two, just caught in the video coming in today. Absolutely. He's having a little drip out, he is, but he'll be fine. Top him up, top him up. There's the back end of the truck, look at that. That is something different. Would love something like this. It's a big part of the collection I would have, definitely. Jeez. Look at these boys rolling through now. Still picking up here. It's not as busy as last year. Not going to lie to a few people, but they are starting to park outside. So it is pretty busy. But this time last year was absolutely rammed. The queue to getting in was just totally crazy. But it's still a good turnout. Can't knock it, people. And there's some trucks like this will pull up. Absolutely beautiful. No rider. This is cool. Just gone round the roundabout at the bottom, probably to go up the top end to pull up and start parking up down there. Over the speed hump. Lovely little ride over the speed hump. There's so many of them coming round now. Oh,
thank you for watching the Chelsea Cruise 51st anniversary. It's been a pleasure to be here tonight. It wasn't as busy as last year, but it still was a good turnout, and it was a lovely sunset evening. Please do make sure you subscribe and check it out on other channels.